guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a review video on the Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder. So we are going to jump right into the video, but before that guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, definitely do consider subscribing, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is this. And with that being said, we're now going to get started with the video. So this face powder is a very raved about face powder. You know, apparently the beauty gurus, they love it, and Tati Westbrook actually used this face powder apparently to set her face on her wedding day. Actually James Charles did her makeup and he used this powder, but anyways, that is what they used. So I really wanted to come on here and review this for you guys. I have had this product for a really long time, so I have a really good idea about how this product performs. I have the one in translucent, but you also get a few other shades. I believe they're called extra coverage something. I will list the shades here, and on this side I will list how much I got this for. You know, how much this is in the States, in the UK, and also how much I got this for in Pakistan. I think I got this from Cosmetic Planet, the Facebook page. I'm not exactly sure, but anyways, I will list the prices here and the shade names here. So first things first, the price. For the price, you get a lot of product, and for the price, this is a really good setting powder. I think it really does prolong your makeup. It's great for oily skin. I have super oily skin, and when I use this, my makeup, it lasts really long. This is really good for making your makeup stay on long. And the particles in this face powder, because they're so tiny, this is like literally air spun, you know, like so soft and silky, that this really just, you know, does not settle into the fine lines. A lot of the times face powders, especially ones that are pigmented, they kind of like settle into the lines and the cracks and you know, texture on the face, and you know, that just enhances any texture that you have on the face, but this does not do that. So you know, this is great for people who have lines or, you know, texture on their face that they're trying to hide. This is going to give a really nice blurring effect to the face. The only con about this powder, and this actually is a huge con for me, I'm not sure if you guys can see on my face, but this powder has a little bit of a pink undertone to it, a cool undertone to it. Let's just do this here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but there is a really intense kind of like a peachiness, a pinkiness in this powder. And what that does is that if you are someone who is really fair, or someone who has pink undertones or cool undertones, this powder is not going to be a problem for you. But if you are a warm complexion like me, or if you kind of like fall in the medium or dark categories of skin tones, this powder might cause a little bit of an issue for you, because I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there is a little bit of an ashiness, and that's because I have warm skin tone and the foundation that I use, it's warm. And when I set this with a cool undertone powder, what actually happens is that there's a little bit of grayness, a little bit of ashiness, you know, it just looks weird. So that is the only con of this product. However, the extra coverage ones, they might have a warm undertone. Like I said, I have not tried those, so I can't say for those. But yeah, this definitely does have a peachy, pinky undertone. I know a lot of makeup artists use this on all of their clients, but this has been my personal experience. Like for me, as a warm skin tone person, this causes a lot of ashiness and grayness. So overall, I think this is a great product for anyone with a cool undertone. You know, it controls oil, so really good for oily skin, and also really good for mature skin, because this does not settle into the lines. It helps kind of like blur the lines away. However, if you have a warm skin tone like me, this might cause ashiness and a little bit of a grayness on you, especially if you are warm undertoned in the medium to the dark skin tone categories. This will definitely cause a little bit of ashiness, so keep that in mind. So yeah, this was my super short review for the Coty Airspun Loose Setting Powder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!